Hello friends, welcome to my channel TechSavvy Indian. Today we will learn about brain-machine interface. Brain-machine interface, in short BMI, is a technology that allows direct communication between the brain and external devices such as computers or prosthetic limbs. The goal of BMI research is to develop systems that can restore lost or impaired functions of the nervous system, enhance human cognition and communication, and facilitate new forms of human-machine interaction. One of the most prominent players in the field of BMI research is Neuralink, a company founded by Elon Musk in 2016. In this video, we will explore the research and development of BMI technology with a focus on the work of Neuralink. So first point is the overview of BMI technology. The concept of BMI technology has been around for several decades, and the earliest experiments involved implanting electrodes directly into the brains of animals to record neural activity. Over time, the technology has evolved to include a range of different approaches, including non-invasive methods such as electroencephalography, which records the electrical activity of the brain through the scalp, and invasive methods such as microelectrode arrays, which are implanted directly into the brain tissue. BMI technology can be used for a variety of purposes, including controlling prosthetic limbs, restoring sensory or motor functions after injury, and enhancing cognitive or communicative abilities. In order to achieve these goals, researchers must develop algorithms that can interpret the neural signals generated by the brain and translate them into commands for external devices. Now, what is the Neuralink's approach to BMI research? Neuralink, as I earlier mentioned, was founded in 2016 with the goal of developing a high bandwidth implantable BMI system that could be used for a range of applications. The company's approach involves using ultra-thin, flexible threads that can be implanted into the brain with minimal disruption to the surrounding tissue. These threads contain hundreds of electrodes that can record the activity of individual neurons, allowing for precise control of external devices. One of the key advantages of Neuralink's approach is that the threads are much less invasive than traditional MEAs, which can cause tissue damage and inflammation. In addition, the threads are capable of recording from a large number of neurons, which allows for more precise control of external devices. What are the recent developments in Neuralink's research? Since its founding, Neuralink has made significant progress in developing its BMI technology. In 2019, the company unveiled a prototype device that could be implanted into the brain to record and transmit neural signals. The device, which was tested on several pigs, demonstrated the ability to detect the activity of individual neurons and transmit this information wirelessly to a computer. More recently, Neuralink has announced that it has successfully implanted its BMI device into the brains of several human volunteers. While the company has not yet released the detailed data on the results of these experiments, the announcement represents a significant milestone in the development of BMI technology. Neuralink has also made progress in developing algorithms that can decode neural signals and translate them into commands for external devices. In a recent study published in the journal Nature, researchers from Neuralink demonstrated that they could use their BMI system to control a computer cursor with high levels of accuracy. What are the potential applications of BMI technology? The potential applications of BMI technology are vast and varied. One of the most promising areas of research is the development of BMI systems for controlling prosthetic limbs. By recording the activity of neurons in the motor cortex, researchers can create algorithms that can translate these signals into commands for a prosthetic limb. This technology has already been successfully demonstrated in several studies and has the potential to greatly improve the quality of life for amputees. Another area of research is the development of BMI systems for restoring lost or impaired sensory functions. For example, researchers could use a BMI system to bypass damaged sensory nerves and transmit signals directly to the brain, allowing individuals with spinal cord injuries or other neurological disorders to regain the ability to feel touch or movement. BMI technology also has the potential to enhance human cognition and communication. For example, researchers could use a BMI system to enhance memory or learning by directly stimulating specific regions of the brain. Alternatively, a BMI system could be used to restore communication in individuals who have lost the ability to speak due to injury or disease. Beyond these applications, BMI technology has the potential to revolutionize human-machine interaction by directly interfacing with the brain. External devices could be controlled with unprecedented precision and speed. These could have applications in fields such as gaming, virtual reality, and robotics. What are the challenges and ethical considerations in BMI? While BMI technology holds great promise, there are also significant challenges and ethical considerations that must be addressed. One of the biggest challenges is developing algorithms that can accurately decode the complex neural signals generated by the brain. This requires a deep understanding of the brain's neural circuits and how they process information, which is still an active area of research. Another challenge is ensuring the safety and reliability of BMI devices. Implanting electrodes into the brain carries inherent risk, including the risk of infection or tissue damage. In addition, BMI systems must be designed to function reliably over a long period of time, which requires addressing issues such as signal drift and electrode degradation. Finally, there are a number of ethical considerations surrounding the use of BMI technology. One concern is the potential of misuse or abuse of the technology, particularly in the areas of privacy and autonomy. For example, if external devices can be controlled directly by the brain, there is a risk that individuals could be forced into taking certain actions against their will. So, what is the conclusion for BMI technology? The development of BMI technology has the potential to transform our understanding of the brain and revolutionize the way we interact with technology. While there are still many challenges and ethical considerations that might be addressed, companies like Neuralink are making significant strides in advancing the field. As we continue to develop and refine BMI technology, it will be important to remain mindful of these challenges and work to ensure that the technology is used ethically and responsibly. Thank you friends for watching my video. This is all for today.